Let's make an LED cable. You have 2 cables, 2 resistors, and 2 LEDs in your pack, so that you can make up a red LED cable and a blue LED cable. Let's trim one of the wires in the middle of the cable. We're going to put a resistor in there. By stripping the ends of the cable, make sure you use a pair of wire strippers or the side cutters, but definitely don't cut off the end of the cable. You don't want to shorten it. When you've trimmed those off, you need to twist them up so that it holds all the strands of the wire together. Let's wrap the wire around the resistor lead. And then we twist the resistor back up in the cable before we do the other one. Now the resistor's in place, let's solder off both of those wires. Make sure you don't melt the plastic. And finally, to give it some strength, wrap the wire around the LED cable, and this will stop the solder from breaking in the future. Also, to improve the joint, you can put some heat shrink over the top of that, and that'll make it look nice too. Lastly, let's grab the LED and trim it down to about 10mm and put it in place. Doesn't really matter which way you put it, because when it comes time to coating, you'll be able to flip it around the other way pretty easily anyway. There's one LED cable complete. Go and do the other one. Thanks for watching.